How to create an hyperlink. So first of all, what is an hyperlink? An hyperlink is a link in between two pages, or a link in between a specific word that you select and a page. And Moodle does that quite well on any website, or even within your email or Word document, as long as you've got something of an editing procedure, editing process. You can create an hyperlink, and it's more or less the same within most computers and in most programs. You do a Control K with your keyboard when you've selected a word, and that will pop up with a window to hyperlink it with whatever you may wish. But let's demonstrate it and see it in relevance with our Moodle page. So let's say that I want to have this label here. And when I want this label, I want to click on it and be able to access, let's say, this page here. It's a YouTube page. So what I'll do, I'll copy this page. The text is already selected, so Control C. Click out. Click back into the first tab. And then I will edit this label. But obviously you can do it straight from the start. And let's say I want a whole sentence selected, so click 3 times on the specific word within that sentence, and you can see now that I've got these options, and insert editor link. But just to show you that that works, that the short keys work, is Control K, and it's basically the same thing. I've got this link URL, and I can just paste it there. This here, the target, is what it says is open this window frame in this window of frame. So what will happen is, if the students or yourself click on that that link that we are creating now, the Moodle page will basically disappear to reveal just the YouTube page that we're inserting now. What you want, if you want to retain both, is by opening it into a new window. You can press the title. Or you can just keep it all together, and then insert. Save and return to the course, and let's see what happens. So you can see now that I've got my pointer, and my pointer is shifting into a little hand with designed to state that, oh, you know what, it's underlined and it's an hyperlink. And while browsing through it, I've got the title showing that I've written down, Moodle 3.1 overview. So, and let's click on it. Let's see what happens. And there it is. I've got that announce Moodle 3.1 Moodle video playing, and yeah, it does worked. You can do the same process for that for a picture. So let's reedit that. And click on the picture. So the picture is selected or highlighted. Let me increase that box, and you can see those little square all around the picture, and the picture is highlighted in blue. And then I've got those hyperlink options. Click on the first one here, or you do a Control K with your keyboard, whichever best suited for you. And then I can paste that link, open a new frame, the same thing, and then insert. But you can do that with any sort of page. I mean, this is just a YouTube page, but you can do that with anything. And there we go. So that picture has now reverted to an hyperlink, and then I can click on that picture, and here we go, straight into YouTube. So this is how you create an hyperlink. Note that this can be done on your emails. So I can demonstrate that as well, but I won't be doing that. So Control K is the way for you to create hyperlinks if you've selected a specific word or a specific picture, anything of that nature that you can select, and click Control K. Easy as this. Thank you for following this video.